Is Mr. Darius Caganda. Our second referee is Mr. Jason Magat. And now let's meet our teams and players. First, from Far Eastern University. Number 1, Zedric Kalimlim. Number 2, Sam Coronel. And number 3, Tyler Ramos. Their opponents across the net, the University of the Philippines. Number 1, Karen Villanueva. Number 2, Marcos Bamba. And number 3, Marco Bamba. On right, first serve for this match will be done by Sam Coronel. This is in the boys division. First point going to UP, courtesy of Marco Bamba. Karen Villanueva will serve. It's an error, point goes to FEU. Zed Kalimlim. Kalimlim gets it up, goes for that attack, and they score. Zed Kalimlim. Villanueva punches it home, but Coronel was there, and he gets it for FEU. Villanueva. Coronel was there for the pickup. Offset, Sam, cross-court. That's a cut shot, successful for Far Eastern University. Kalimlim with a good serve. Zedric goes long and converts. FEU with a 5-1 start. Karen Villanueva gets it back for the Fighting Maroons. We now switch sides. Bamba serves. Yes, it's an ace. Good job there by Bamba, Marco Bamba. That time, it was an error against the Fighting Maroons. Marco. Nakahulog. UP fighting back. 3 straight points. Short serve from Villanueva. Bump set by Coronel. Oh, that's a powerful hit from Cedric Kalimlim. Bamba just putting it at the right spot. Kalimlim high above the net. And just impeccable timing on that swing and hit. We now switch sides as we now have FEU still ahead here, 9-5. Sam Coronel on deck to serve. Kalimlim bump set to Sam Coronel, but can't get it across. UP down by 3. Coronel, hinabol ni Bamba. Villanueva hindi na may tatawid yan. So puntos mapupunta ulit sa FEU. FEUD by 4, 10-6. Coronel cross court, it's good. Bamba bumps it up, papunta kay Teren Villanueva. Error laban sa Universidad ng Pilipinas. So puntos mapupunta ulit sa Far Eastern University din naman na mayroong 6 na puntos sa kalawangan, 12-6. Good serve, an ace coming from Zed. Thirteen serving 6. Villanueva and Bamba searching for answers. They're down by 8. Kalimlim. Coronel. Pasok yan. Technical timeout of the first set. FEU in command. Resume action. Let's see how UP responds here. They're down by 9. It's an uphill climb but still manageable if you're UP. Bamba sets up Villanueva. Kalimlim was there to pick it up. Bamba nahabol. Buhay pa, UP. Ang gagawin nila dito? Bamba. Look out, Kalimlim. Nagpangkaan si Marco at si Teren. Puntos mapupunta ulit sa FEU Diliman. Just having their way so far. Sam Coronel. Villanueva, no. Pretty unfortunate if you're UP. The slide continues while FEU surges ahead 17-6. 4 points away from grabbing the first set. Zedric. It's Coronel who will set up Zed. Oh, Bamba. Great effort, but Villanueva unable to get to that ball. Kalimlim has been a beast at the net. Cedric again, Kalimlim. Simply amazing here in the opening set. Continues to sizzle now for FEU. Now it's 19-6. Villanueva, wala pa din yan. Set point for Far Eastern University. Villanueva. Oh, it's really hard to move here in the stands. But FEU making it look easy. Okay, second set na po tayo. Kalimlim! It's out. Coronel naman. Oh, cross-court hit. Villanueva. Kalimlim again. UP, a chance to counter here. Bambash, it's short. Hindi na itawid. Kalimlim. This time we won't be denied. Cedric Kalimlim. Coronel will not be able to get it up. UP getting the point. Ball still in play here. Coronel. Bamba, papalungin. Kalimlim retrieves it. And pounds it in. Kalimlim ulit. Angat-angat sa net. We switch sides. FEU Diliman ahead 5-2 over UP. Kalimlim. Nainawit, bahagya. Isang Coronel. Mamba, tinapik. Malakas yung pagkakapalo ni Kalimlim doon. As Park Obama with an ace. And Sam Coronel getting himself going here. Kalimlim now serve. Oh, one ace. Medyo nag-hesitate si Terren doon. Seven serving 4. Better reception from Villanueva. Now he goes for the attack, but overcooks that one. Not enough snap. Villanueva will not get it across. FEU piling up the points. An ace. He switch sides. FEU abante dito ng 6 na puntos, 10-4. Villanueva, Kalimlim was there to retrieve it. Kalimlim high above the net. Zed Kalimlim, just lethal when you give him that kind of a set. Almost nothing you can do if you're the defense. Now 12 serving 4. And puntos ulit para sa FEU. Lumalayo ulit sila dito. It's 13-4 now. Villanueva, short. Kalimlim gets it across. UP will reload. They're down by 10 now. Oh! Coronel! That was slick. Very sneaky. $15 serving 4. Kalimlim plunges in. Coronel gets it across and scores. FEU having their way, timeout, UPI. Alright, we resume action. Let's see how UP will regroup here. Kalimlim continues to serve for FEU Diliman. Villanueva. That was a good attempt. Pamba bumps it up. Perrin. Oh, that's in. We have our technical timeout here in set number 2. Abante pa rin po ang FEU dito. In case you wanna know, we had 3 matches earlier in the girls division. Nanalo po una yung NU laban sa Lasal, followed up by that victory of University of Santo Tomas over FEU, and then Adamson prevailing. Now FEU and UPIS dito naman sa boys division. Oh, kalimlim! $17-5. Papaluin to ni Villanueva. Marco. Maganda yung serve niya doon. Coronel. Nakahanap ng butas. Pamba. Lalabas. At unti-unti na lumalayo ulit ang FEU dito. It's now a Bakers dozen lead. 19-6. Villanueva, that was a good attack. Very quick. Coronel, pops it up, kalimlim! FEU Diliman at match point. Putting on a masterclass today. Bamba. Unfortunately, not getting it across. And FEU with a dominant victory. They win this one over UPIS 21-6, 21-7. Again, kudos to both of our teams, FEU Diliman and UPIS. Congratulations to FEU Diliman winning in straight sets. Up next, we have NU Nazareth School going up against Ateneo de Manila University.